Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, you will see how to export this PDF table into Excel spreadsheet, and along with that, I will show you how to export all the tables in this web address to an Excel spreadsheet. This is an AI share price and it contains a lot of tables, multiple tables actually, and all of them we can export to Excel. Go to Excel, select data, and from there from file, from PDF. So once you select that, locate the PDF file and double click the PDF file. Then you will be navigated to the tables available in the PDF file. So here you can see there are two tables available. Select multiple tables and select both the tables available in the PDF, and then click on transform data. Transform data enables you to edit data in Power Query. So once you see both the tables in the Power Query window, just click on close and load. This will load both the tables into spreadsheet in different sheet. Now let's again import the data from web. For that, go to data, select from web, and copy paste the URL and paste it here, and then click OK. This will again navigate to the tables available in the web address. Now you will see all the tables available in that particular web address. So what you see is analyst rating, documents, financial year 2023. There are multiple tables. For now, let's take snapshot, stock price targets. Then click on transform data. Transform data enables you to edit the data in Power Query. So make necessary changes that is required. So you see two tables, snapshot and stock price. Then click on close and load. Both the tables will be available in a different spreadsheet. So right now you have two tables from PDF and two tables from web address. This is how you upload any data from PDF or web address for any analysis.